Standard deviation and variance for ungrouped data. Compute the standard deviation and variance of scores of first-year students in a 50-item calculus exam. The data is given below. Let's define first briefly these two. Variance measures how far the numbers are dispersed around mean. It is the average of the squared deviations from the mean. The standard deviation is a measure to calculate the amount of dispersion of values of a given data set. It measures how far apart numbers are in a data set. Now let's solve this problem. There are two types of standard deviation and variance. It's sample or population. It's sample if it is chosen from the group, or it is just a sample. It is population if the data is gathered from the whole group. In this problem, the required is the population, since it's not stated if first-year students are chosen. Here is the formula. Where x is the score, mu is the mean, and n is the total observations or people. Now let's solve this. N is the total number of students. Since x is given and mean is not, we will solve mean. If we list all the scores, we have Instead, we will just multiply each score to the number of students to get summation of x. Now we can substitute in the formula. I will solve first the variance since it is common to both, so that later on, the answer will just put inside the radical. Instead of writing the repeated score many times, just write one and just multiply it by the frequency. If we want to save time in imputing in the calculator, store the mean as a or any variable. Follow for more.